Once a young man was asked to paint a boat of an affluent man. The young man got some red paint and brushes and began to paint the boat, as requested by the owner. While painting, he discovered a tiny hole in the ship's hull and quietly fixed it. After completion of the painting, the young man received the money for the paint job and left. The boat's owner showed up at the painter's house the next day with a substantial check, far greater than the painting payment. "You've already given me money for painting the boat, sir," said the surprised painter. "But this isn't for the paint job, it's for repairing the hull in the boat," but it was such a little service. "It's not worth paying me that much for something so insignificant," said the young man. "My dear boy, you do not understand the significance of your act. Let me tell you what happened. I forgot to mention the hole when I asked you to paint the boat. When you were done with the paint, my kids took the boat and went on a fishing trip once the paint had dried out. They were unaware of there being a hole. I was not there at that time. When I returned and discovered that my children had taken the boat, I was distressed because I remembered it had a hole. I tried to contact them several times but couldn't reach them. Imagine my delight when I saw them return from their fishing trip. After that, I carefully examined the boat and discovered that you had repaired the hole. You see, now, what you did. You protected my children's lives. I don't have enough money to repay for your thoughtful act, so, no matter what, who, when or how. Keep your spirit up to help, sustain, wipe tears, listen and carefully repair any leaks you find. Because sometimes, the smallest act of kindness and thoughtfulness may be worth more to others. You may have repaired many boat holes on your way even without realizing how many lives you may have impacted. Similarly, many may have fixed holes in your boat without realizing it. So,